students, here is Solution Masters. Today we will read chapter 1 of class 6, Knowing Our Numbers. So in Knowing Our Numbers, there is we will first read on concepts of numbers, and then we will read introduction. So first, concepts. What are the concepts? Concepts in this chapter are very much basics of the future classes of your, like class 7th, class 8th. They are basics of class 7th and class 8th. In that you have to solve the using concepts of these only. So first we will read introduction. So in the introduction, what is there? Counting things is easy for us now. We can count objects in large numbers, for example, the numbers of students in the school, and represent them through numerals. We can also communicate large numbers using suitable number names. It is not as if we always knew how to convey large quantities in conversation or through symbols. Many thousands years ago, people knew only small numbers. Gradually, they learned how to handle larger numbers. They also how, they also learned how to express large numbers in symbols. All this came through collective efforts of human beings. Their path was not easy. They struggled all along the way. In fact, the development of whole of mathematics can be understood in this way. As human beings progressed, there was a greater need for development of mathematics, and as a result, mathematics grew further and faster. We use numbers and know many things about them. Numbers help us count concrete objects. They help us to say which collection of objects is bigger and arrange them in order. Example: first, second, etc. Numbers are used in many different contexts and in many ways. Things about various situations where we use numbers. List 5 distinct situations in which numbers are used. We enjoyed working with numbers in our previous classes. We have added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided them. We also look for pattern in number sequences and done many other interesting things in with number. In this chapter, we shall move forward on such interesting things with a bit of review and revision as well. So 1.2, comparing quantities. Comparing numbers. As we have done quite a lot of this earlier, let us see if we remember which is the greatest among these: 92, 392, 400, 4456, 89,742. So here, so here, 8,972, 742 is the largest one. This one is the largest, and we will now solve these only. So here in second one, which is the largest, you can write in the comment box. Okay, so we now know the answers. Discuss with your friends how you find the number that is the greatest. So in this, try this. You can also find what is the greatest. Okay, you can also write in the comment box. We just looked at the number of digits and found the answer. The greatest number as the most thousand, and the smallest is only in hundreds or in tens. Make 5 more problems of this kind and give to your friends to solve. Now how do we compare it? 4,875 and 3,542. This is also not very difficult. These two numbers have the same numbers of digits. They are both in thousands, but the digit at the thousand place in 4,875 is greater, and the in 3,542, therefore 4,875 is greater than 3,542. You can also try this one, and you can do the same what I have tell you. Next, tell which is greater, 4,875 or 4,542. Here too the numbers have the same number of digits. Further, the digits at the thousands place are same in both. What do we do then? We move to the next digit, that is to the digit at the hundreds place. The digits at the hundred place is greater in 4,875 than in 4,500 that in 4542. Therefore 4875 is greater than 4542. So we have learned now what is the place number. Here we have read, okay, we have read learned how to find the smallest and the greatest number. Okay, then now if the digits at the hundred place are also same in the two numbers, then what do we do? Compare 4875 and 4899. Also compare 4875 and 4879. So further we will read on. So there is only this much in the part 1. In next video we will learn how many numbers we can make, how many digits we can make, and we will solve the first exercise. Yeah, okay. So thank you for this. Like the video if you have, if the information was good. Okay, so subscribe the channel. Thank you.